Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia. Welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Yeah, you are my African queen.
So before we get into this video, I would like to thank all my new subscribers who subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Okay, I really appreciate it. So right now I'm just showing you my breakfast: corn, broccoli, baked pumpkin, carrot, stewed carrot, and just a little lasagna. And then we have a little veggie wrap, chicken veggie wrap. Okay, so right here we have some rice, some salad, some green fig, and also some salmon stew. Okay, so we have some fried fish, some lettuce, some cucumber, and as Jamaicans will call it the rice, they will call it rice and peas, but also the Guyanese call it cook up rice without chicken. Okay, so this is some black eyed peas with rice, where we use coconut milk to literally cook the rice, and that's how the Jamaicans literally do the rice and peas with coconut milk, and also the Guyanese do it with coconut milk and they call it cook up. That's without chicken in it. Okay. Okay, so now we have corn, chicken, lettuce, cabbage, macaroni, and you see our some rice and peas. Okay, alright guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for bigger, better things to come. Thank you guys.